What do we do? I've got to keep their attention. Never seen this place before.
We can get down from the left side. With any luck, we can lead them the wrong way.
Ethel!
So unfortunate.
She read us like a book.
Ethel! Do you really not recognize us at all?
Disgusting.
Huh?
The sight of you things speaking the words of man. It makes my skin crawl.
Huh? We'll never get through.
Come off it. Just what the spark does she see us as? Goggles?
She's right there. Why don't you ask her?
Right, we'll get a straight answer.
Nowhere to run! Prepare yourself!
She's not giving us much choice.
Stand in my way, or you die!
What's the enemy? You're dealing with me. What's the enemy?
Unroll them. Time to get crushed.
What's the enemy? You're dealing with me.
Time to get unroll them. Time to get crushed.
I missed jump!
What's the
Stand in
enemy?
my way, you
You're
die!
dealing with me.
Cheers for that. I'll show you.
What's the enemy? You're dealing with me.
Perfect time.
What's the enemy?
I can help.
Eat this! My blade just flies! For the likes of you, you dare!
You're dealing with me.
Unroll them.
Is that it? Judge!
Don't push it too hard.
Come at me, or you! Eat this!
What's the enemy?
What?
Here and now! Eat this! Come on, pin down!
I'm
Ready for
here.
this? Let's turn up the pressure! Eat this!
How about this?
Let me give you a taste!
Right there!
We'll finish it here!
Leave it to uni. Too right with this line.
Only!
I can follow that up. You're done.
She's way too good!
Well, I guess we don't call her Silvercoat Ethel for nothing, eh? Tight pinch keeps getting tighter! Mimi? Understood. Ready?
We can't.
But why not?
It's too powerful. We could just wind up killing her.
Yes, but...
What happened? She just stopped.
What? What am I fighting against here?
Maybe now. Ethel! It's me! It's Noah!
Did you say Noah?
Ethel!
Oh, if needs must.
Console.
Really? This is why I can't stand fog. And we were just getting to the good part.
Console. I'm... What am I...
Silence! You were pathetic.
Ethel!
I suppose it's more fun this way. Well, don't you agree? It's the big bad boss. Boom! Here I come! Boys and girls!
Nice! That's what I'm talking about!
Like that.
This should deal considerable damage, even to the monkey. Why did you go?
Wow, thanks!
You won't get away!
So resilient.
What's the enemy?
I am! Thanks for noticing! Let me give you a taste!
The heat gauge is filled up! We're up to time! Let's release the interlink!
Let me give you a How about this?
I'm here!
Eat this!
What's the enemy?
Give it up! I gotta push through you!
You're dealing with me!
Time to get crushed!
Hey! These assets just for show! No escape!
I'll show you! Eat this! Union!
Did we do it?
Wait! Something's wrong.
The light's being drawn in.
Same as when Noah and Mimi. He transformed. He looks exactly like that other one.
That's Iris. So he was the one controlling the troops.
Mobius.
But he's looking pretty hurt. Come on! What?
His wounds. They look like they're healing.
Any good?
He did it again. No way. He's stealing from the clocks.
My dear boy, your vaunted intuition is shit! I'm not stealing from them. I, as Mobius, have the right to do with the flame clocks as I please. You may hurt me as much as your heart's desire, but where there is life and vitality, I'm afraid I shall not fall. Come now, why don't you give it your best shot and have at me? If you think you can.
Stop attacking! Uni! Lance!
You must be fucking joking!
If we let up now, he'll take us down.
But our friends from Colony 4!
Wake up, Noah. They're not your friends anymore. They're his fuel.
Even so!
These soldiers will nourish me like glitter radishes in season, and we can always grow plenty more. If I need a little extra, I can pluck them whenever I want.
He's killing more of our friends the more we hit him. There has got to be a way. What if we... But then...
What? Did you think of something? Come on!
The flame clock. What if we smashed it?
You what? How should I know something like... Do you mean...
But... What if we just end up killing everybody?
If we keep fighting like this, we're all dead.
Rock in a hard place, huh?
Whatever life is lost, I won't let you shoulder it all alone.
Mia.
I think it's about time we entered the final act.
All right. We'll try it. Lance!
What's up?
Draw his attention for me.
And then what?
I'll get in close and destroy the flame clock.
What? Look, if you do that...
We've got to. It's the only way. On my head be it.
The spark you on about? I'm not gonna let you take the fall alone. Nah, snuff it. Fine. Have it your way. Get going. Uni.
Cover fire! Leave it to me!
Tyon. Zena. We need you too.
Understood.
Just say when, guys.
Thanks, everyone. I'll count down from 3. 3, 2, 1. Let's go!
I know what you're thinking. However... if I keep on firing potshots, I'm bound to hit one of you sooner or later, preferably sooner!
Oh, crap! Noah!
Mimi!
Are you sure? I'm just practicing, Senna. There's no need for this. Sorry.
Watch out! Come on! They want to take you out the running! We can take care of ourselves! Just go!
Lance, that form. You mean...
Hey, I'm here too! Senna as well! So then...
Look here, foul you! Mother!
Lance! We can't keep this up!
Stick it up! Is that it? Alright, now for the coup de grace. Get a load of this!
Your pardon, that's idiocy and certain death!
To where this was taken.
I think Yorin did the right thing.
We can go through here, and then we're out!
You must flee for the colony!
Mom! Dim away!
My wounds.
They're already gone.
Did I? I did this!
Whoa!
There's time for that later.
Ah, right! Noah! Leo! Now's our chance!
Yeah!
What? The fog? This is absurd! Can't see a damn thing! Where are they? Where have they gone? I can't see anything! Hey, mother! Why, little... When did you get the jump on me? In that case...
Now you start to open your eyes! Bad fucking...
I can't heal!
No, that's nothing! Go now! Do it!
Mio!
Yeah!
Huh? What? Did that not do it?
How is it so strong?
We'll try! No use! Bloody embers!
The futility! The flame clock is life itself! One might say, a coalescence of the will to live. I very much doubt it's going to break that easily now, is it?
Smart. You must have it too.
A fool's errand indeed. But you know I appreciate what you've done for bringing your lovely selves so close up. Because now I can look upon you with all your radiance.
It'll be okay. Noah and friends will set things right.
Even armor of Veronis gets sliced to itsy bits.
If it can really take a Veronis clean out, then maybe...
Mio! Try again! Cancel the interlink after we jump!
What's the plan?
Looks like the time's come.
What are you talking about?
Fine then. Ready when you are.
What are you... You're interlink? But why? Impossible! The flame clock cannot be broken! What is this? Who are these people? Ah! The flame clock's power utterly lost! No! But how?
How's Ethel? Everyone okay?
She's gonna be fine.
Seems she only lost consciousness.
Right. That's good. Which leaves...
Someone who deserves a real thrashing.
Playing with our lives like they're nothing. You're dead meat!
You won't get away with this!
More with that shit, Bob! I'll show you! You won't get away!
Just watch!
I'll show you! I'll show you! Eat this! How about this?
No good, just watch! I'll end it here!
I'm all worked up for this one!
I'll show you! Eat this!
Hey! Just watch! No escape!
More with that thing, Rob! I'll show you!
Do it, Kyle! Nothing is connected! playing around, was he? Let's take a look at this ugly mudder's face.
Yeah. Stuck tight. How'd you get this thing off? Ah. This guy...
He's so different from us. Is this what consuls look like?
All wrinkled. Just like Guernica. Is this what aging's like?
I don't know.
Ah, it's you. I see. I'm so sorry. All I remember is that I was fighting against some abhorrent creatures. And you tell me it was you. So this is the consul. This is how he really looks.
He's fading. Just like during a homecoming.
No! I don't want to die!
Nope, no way. You're not sending him on. You realize how messed up that is?
Huh? You think so?
How do you not... Think about the things this guy did.
He tried to kill us all and rob the soldiers of their remaining life.
You're right. Both of you are right. And Mio?
Honestly, I'm not sure I would.
Okay.
Oh, I'll just do it anyway.
Just now, I felt his essence brush past me. It felt just the same as ours. So, I feel I have to do this, you know?
Mio, have you ever touched a mote of light from a Kavesi? They're the same as ours. On the other side, the people live hoping the same things as us.
Well, he's started now.
Sometimes he's just too kind.
That or he just loves his job. He too by the book.
An airhead. That's what he is. Don't think he's thinking about it too deeply.
Just doing it because it's part of his nature, eh? Weirdo.
I concur.
Mimi.
Sorry. You didn't have to help.
It's fine. It's our duty.
I'm worried I didn't play well.
But why? You did it expertly, just like last time.
I still can't stop shaking.
Because of the flame clock.
Yeah. I was terrified.
Still, all thanks to your decision, we're alive. You're really something.
It was a team effort.
Commander! You're Agnes!
Lower your weapons, Boliaris.
Come again?
I'll explain everything to you later. Please, Boliaris.
Sure.
Then it seems the flame clock is indeed gone, as you say. And yet, I'm seeing nothing of these symbols you speak of. It seems evident you possess something that we do not have.
I see. Sorry for getting you involved.
No need to apologize. Exceptional as this is, I consider it a blessing to be freed from constant battle.
Glad to hear you say that. I was pretty worried.
Are you sure it's okay for us to be hanging around here?
My troops are under strict orders. It's true you three are affiliated with Agnes, but we also owe you our lives. We should count our blessings, no?
This feels awkward.
We can stick it out.
Sorry. This is kind of our fault.
Don't worry about it. You heard Ethel, right? Power. You found power. You found power. You found power. You found power.
The soul tree. It seems we can still strengthen the Ouroboros power further. Where are we staying again?